Alright guys, Motor Toys, we're here with the Raptor / Castle System 4600. As you guys probably know, Sidewinder 4, we're on 3S. These little tires basically were ordered and have really no purpose on anything that we have, so the only logical thing to do is to smoke them off. So that's what we're gonna do. So, yeah, let's see what this looks like. Alright.
Flip away.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
We got smoke.
Oh, that's a lot of smoke.
Kill all tires. So I think a drive shaft broke. I think.
Or the tire just came off. We don't know.
Now we broke a drive shaft.
Oh, damn.
Kill all tires, ladies and gentlemen.
Woo.
Worth a broken drive shaft. Look at all of that rubber.
That smoke.
Look at all of that rubber, the smoke. They are still smoking, guys. One drive shaft. Oh, and we got a tire gone, blown out. We're on the foam. Dude. Yeah. This thing is